Hello everyone, and welcome back to Rainy Day Bakery. Today we are making cupcakes. You'll need 155 grams of egg whites, 70 grams of sugar, 75 grams of flour, a whole egg plus 55 grams of egg yolks. First, let's beat the yolks and the egg, and 75 grams of melted butter. Now add the sugar and beat the whites. Finally, mix your dough and whites together. Preheat your oven to 110 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 minutes. Afterwards, change your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and bake for an additional 10 minutes.